Well, we've had a really busy week this week, and guess what? It's Saturday morning, and I'm back off to work. Marvellous. Well, that's been a fairly busy morning. I'm going to lock up, head home, see what else we can get up to. Looks like it's going to rain. Marvellous. We are in for some thunderstorms, I believe. Probably as soon as I get home. Well, I got that done in the nick of time. Pouring down now. Oh. Retreat to the workshop. Cameron's busy painting the grille for his car, which he picked up last weekend. Every time I get the workshop Dyson out, Hope has to have a quick vacuum. You can have a night in, Sky. That's Mingin eating out the wheelbarrow. Hey. Well, just a quick visit. Hey, Ness and the skip out. We're staying in, aren't we? Because it's miserable. Well, that's been a wet and miserable afternoon. Thankfully I got the lawn all cut before I chucked it down with rain. Dinner's on the go. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all very soon. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe.